If God woke you up today, He isn't finished with you yet. So get up and keep going. Waking up every morning is a great blessing that comes from the Lord. Morning is one of the best time na mag-meditate tayo sa salita ng Diyos, and as well as makipag-usap tayo sa Lord. Ito yung time na wala pa tayong masyadong maraming iniisip, at ito din yung time na nakakapag-isip tayo ng maayos. So this morning, let me share with you my devotion and my rema. So our readings is in Joshua chapter 1 verse 7 to 8. Sabi dito, "Be strong and be very courageous. Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Do not deviate from them, turning either to the right or to the left. Then you will be successful in everything you do. Study this book of instructions continually. Meditate on it day and night, so you will be sure to obey everything written in it. Only then you will be prosperous and successful in all you do." Ito kasing chapter 1 ng Joshua, ay si Joshua na po ang nag-take over ng leadership kasi nawala na si Moses, kinuha na siya ng Lord. And then the Lord is keep on telling Joshua na be strong and be very courageous. Ilang beses to inuulit-ulit dito sa chapter na ito ng Joshua 1 na be strong and be very courageous. Si Joshua po dito, from being apprentice ay naging full-fledged leader na talaga siya ng mga Israelites. That's why the Lord is keep on telling him na be strong and be very courageous. Kasi nga, nagkaroon na ng deployment si Joshua. Dineploy na siya ng Diyos na maging leader ng mga Israelites. Being a leader is not an easy thing. Ang dami mo kasing bit-bit. Ang dami mo cargo. Hindi mo pa alam lahat ng mga attitudes, mga characters ng mga tao under sa'yo. That's why the Lord is keep on telling Joshua na be strong and be very courageous. At ang isa sa mga instruction ni Lord na nagrema talaga sa akin, be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Kasi hindi naman dineploy si Joshua na wala siyang dala-dala. Hindi naman siya hinayaan ni Lord na maging leader ng mga Israel